Guys, this is one of the best ways that I make money online every single day. Grab your phone, watch these videos, play these simple games, maybe shop online and collect your earnings. Guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money online in pure passive income without any skills or experience. I said earlier, I do this by myself every single day, believe me. So as a complete beginner, you can follow these simple steps and start making money online from today. I mean, we all love watching videos, right? So it's nothing new. We all love playing games, we all love shopping. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon, and when you do that, I'll send you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online, and you'll be one of the first persons to make the most of it. And also, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let's start the tutorial. So as the first step, you have to come over to swagbucks.com. This is a very popular website, guys. So today you get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. Here's how you can earn points and redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Guys, how this works is you basically do different tasks out here and you earn points for doing so. So you can trade in these points for PayPal money or gift cards. So they have paid over $591 million. You can go through some testimonials out here, and they give out 7,000 free gift cards every day. And this is the best part, guys. You can go to trustpilot.com and see their score. They have over 4.3 stars out of 22,791 reviews, guys. Believe me, this website is legit. I personally use it by myself every single day to cash out. And what are the tasks you have to do? Shop online, answer surveys, watch videos, search the web, play games using your mobile phone. And guys, just before I go ahead and explain everything, I need to remind you guys to be patient and keep watching, because if you click off this video right away and just go to this website, you won't be able to use it effectively to its full potential. You'll be able to make a few dollars here and there, but you'll be missing out on a lot more than that. So once again, please don't skip this video, guys. Pay close attention, okay? So we can start this right away, guys. First of all, you have to join Swagbucks. Then you have to earn points by shopping online, watching some entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, finding great deals, and play games to earn points. And you can get free gift cards and PayPal money, as they say it out here. Get cash back from PayPal. So it's simple. So I'll walk you through this. You can shop online, cashback shopping at over 1,500 retailers including Amazon, Walmart, Target and Starbucks. Earn SB points for every dollar you spend, plus get access to exclusive deals and coupons to your favorite retailers. SB points, as in $1 is equal to 100 SB points. Answering surveys is also something good, but I don't prefer that myself. Watching videos, by far from my experience, it's the best one, guys. It requires the least amount of work, right? So you can open up a video, let it play on the background and do something else. And you can discover offers, obviously, search the web. Playing games is also a great one, guys. I personally use my mobile app, and sometimes I use my laptop to play games and watch videos to earn money from this. I personally don't use other things. You can try them out as well. And in order to get started, you can come over to swagbucks.com and give your email address, password, and confirm the password to sign up now, or else you can sign up with one click of a button via Facebook. And guys, I can share this as well. This has featured on BuzzFeed, ABC and the Huffington Post as well. So let's sign up. And you have to agree to all the privacy policy, terms of use and all, and start earning. So when you sign up, this will be your Swagbucks dashboard. So over here you can see your Swagbucks account details, and over here you can see some tasks recommended for you, and here you can see the tasks you have to complete. This will change daily So in this case, when you do this task, you earn up to 4,725 SB. That means $47.25. When you completed this offer, you will earn up to 2,700 SB. That's $27. When you complete this, you will earn $80, and there will be a bunch of offers to complete, watch videos, and play games, complete service, and you can search the web to earn some SB. For that, you need to make Swagbucks your default browser. In order to do that, you should go over here and hit this default your search engine and earn 20 SB on your first search. It's like this. If you're using Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer, you can follow these steps, guys, and make your default Explorer as Swagbucks, and you'll get some offers. That means you have to search some kind of words or phrases and you'll earn points out here. It won't take much time, guys. And it's like this, guys. You have to search over here and earn some SB. 100 SB is $1. And also you can discover more things over here. You can discover some games over here. For now, there's only one game at the moment, so you just have to install this. This is only available for Android users. You install this, you get $4. If you hover your mouse over here, you can see this answer button. You get surveys. Shop, you get some offers. Discover, you get videos and all. Search, you get terms to search. You get to play games and earn money, and rewards as well. They'll give you some rewards, some free giveaways some days, and you can go over to your account to see your earnings and all. The best part is, guys, they have their mobile app. You can download this app to your mobile, Android or Apple. Anyone can use this, and you can make money on the go. Hit this swag button. When you activate this, you'll be notified with some coupons and cashback offers, guys. This is not for people who are looking to earn from this. For online shoppers and all, you can shop online and get cashbacks. You can scroll through this and see that if you prefer, and go over to mobile apps and you'll see some mobile apps. You can install these apps and get paid as well from your mobile phone. These are really small games, guys. It takes about a few seconds to download these games. And now I'll show you how you can redeem the points you earn. You have to come over here and hit this redeem USB button. Right now I only have 12 as I started a complete new Swagbucks account in order to show you the sign up process and all. Here you can redeem like this. If you are redeeming via Amazon or like any other gift cards, they even have offers, and it's like this. This gift card is 1000 SB. That means it's $10, and imagine you have 1000 SB. You can redeem it and get this $10 gift card, and you will get 33% off. And see this, you can cash out via PayPal. If you have 1000 SB, you get $10. 2500 SB, you get $55. 10,000 SB, you get $100. It's like that, but for PayPal, they don't have like sales they have on gift cards. So it's up to you to choose the payout method. 25,000 SB, you get $250. For those of you who don't have PayPal withdrawal options in your country, you can use gift cards or else Payoneer. So 5,200 SB means $52. You can withdraw to your bank account straight from here, as I do. These days I'm in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka does not support PayPal, and I'm using Payoneer to withdraw to my bank account. And there's another way of making pure passive income from this site, guys. So you have to go over to here, more, and go to refer and earn. Here, earn 10% for life. Refer your friends and family and earn 10% of their earnings for the life of their account. No cookies. If your friend earns $100, you'll get $10, not from them, from this website. So imagine you refer like 100 people, $10 from each person. 10 into 100, $1,000 by doing absolutely nothing. And here's your referral link. Over here you can copy your referral link and give your referral link with my video, post on WhatsApp groups or Facebook groups or wherever you want. Give my video, give your referral link, and make pure passive income, guys. This is one of the very best ways that I personally use to make pure passive income, guys. And I hope you really got some value out of this video. If you have any comments or any questions, comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel with all notifications on. Thanks for watching.